Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for coming. The coffee doesn't lift up the volume of my voice, but I'm sure we'll get there too. I call this a miracle coffee. It's literally a nest. It's a nest from Hashemayim. I lost 125 pounds in my life, twice, in a natural way, without a band, without any operation. But literally, it was very hard work. I had to take out all carbohydrates and sugar from all the food that I was eating. Because the second that I put any carbohydrates and sugar into my system, it became this tremendous craving, an addiction where I could never have enough. If I ate one Danish, a half hour later I needed another Danish. If I ate a bowl of spaghetti, I needed another bowl of spaghetti. 2 slices of pizza became another slice. It was a battle that was going on for 25 years. Obviously, it affected me in any ways possible. But gaining weight and then losing it all and saying, oh, how good you look, and then all of a sudden, 3 months later, what happened to you? It's been a cycle. It's a story for itself. ADD, lack of concentration. When I took this 9 days ago, people told me about this new MLM. I said, well, let's see what it is. It has a coffee to lose weight. What can be wrong already? So I come down, I get a packet from the guy. It didn't work out. I couldn't take it on Shabbos. I took it on Sunday morning. There was 2 boxes of Ruggelach there. Stearns, the round Stearns Ruggelach from 15 apiece. I took 3 Ruggelach with the coffee, and all of a sudden, 5 minutes gone, and I was going to go back for Ruggelach. I said, no, I'm not interested in another Ruggelach. I'm full. I don't need it. And I didn't have a big breakfast. I went 12 hours through the whole day on Sunday in Lakewood with the presentation, and I didn't have to eat. Came 9 o'clock at night. They had about 30, 40 Danishes there, and I took 1 Danish, and I got through 1 Danish. I couldn't eat anything. Normally it would be 3, 4 at least. I'm very honest. This is who I am. Anyway, this is how it went from day to day. My sleeping is better. My moods are more balanced. I have 10 times more energy. I'm able to jump up and down, dance all over the place. Nanach. Yeah. Anyway, so the story is basically that the coffee literally changed my life. And the fact is that what?
How much have you lost?
Oh, I've lost 15 pounds in 9 days. I lost weight fast. Anyway, I saved $200 on food because I spent an average of $25 on food. I only spent $5 on food. It's literally a miracle.
How many coffees a day?
I took a half a packet of coffee. The company's not going to like this, but I tell people I take a half a packet, and therefore it comes out to less than $1 a day. Sometimes, like a day like today, I took a little bit more to get me through this night. It's a long night. Usually by now, I'm tired out, and I'm sleeping. Every day I'm doing anything. Half the packet. The digestion of people is much better. People that I'm giving it to that are 340 pounds, on the spot, they couldn't finish the Danish. They need suspenders. People's lives are literally changing in front of my eyes. I'm getting satisfaction from this, literally from peering. I have a person right here today. He came all the way from Muncie. He was laughing at me. I said to him, I have this product. It's unbelievable. He says, text me back. Call me when it's believable. Fine. I keep sending him these. I'll have him come up, and he literally took the coffee today, and I'll have him say what happened.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
But I want to say that he was a pest to me. But finally this morning, I decided to have breakfast, I'm going to have a coffee. So I went and took a pack from him. He gave me a free pack. And I'm in the insurance business, and there's a lot of pressure. I work in a certain field where there's kind of money, where there's ups and downs. And usually I'll cross the street, go to the restaurant, and I'll get nervous, and I'll get something to eat, just to keep myself going, or a drink, or a soda, or different kind of things. And today somehow I was much more calmer, and I just didn't even think about 4. I knew it was 4 o'clock. I knew I had to go to Davening already. And I'm like, where's my usual thing? Usually I get frustrated, I get this and that. I just take a drink. I didn't think about food, nothing. It worked so fast today that I told him, come to bar clock tonight. That's all it was. It was just day 1. And I had to force myself for a leave. I went to get a piece of chicken and some salad, and I think food is in the past. I hope I survived.
For me, the same thing happened for me. I came from a Jewish mother from Brooklyn. So what did she say when I came up? Eat, right? So I was 250 pounds as a kid. I was big. I've been on diets. I've been big my whole life. First time in my life, I drank this coffee the first day I pushed my lunch away. I said, this is a miracle. I can't believe I have to wait till I'm 60 years old to get this coffee. It has changed my life. I've literally went from a 40-inch waist to a 34-inch waist. But more than that, I feel so energized. I feel happy every day. It's not just the weight. I feel healthy.